All right, so hopefully this video catches it because I'm going to put the phone down and I won't know unless yeah, so I'm going to hold it like this and then I'm going to have my friend press it and then I'm going to use one of these long sticks and push it that way.
Ready?
Let me just watch my body do it. Still recording.
It's in the middle, right? Okay.
Oh, okay. Relax a little bit.
Relax. Is it good?
Oh, you're not going to get any video in here. I can barely get anything in here. Press a little bit more.
Down.
Oh, relax a little bit.
Relax.
And relax a little bit more.
Relax.
A little bit more.
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 A little bit more. I think I let it go all the way already.
Hold on, let me take a look. I think the problem is part of the old piece is still in there. All right, part of the old piece is out. Okay. Okay, relax the clutch.
Relax.
Oh, press it again, press it again.
Press it again.
Okay. Rest a little bit.
Yeah,
Oh, relax, relax, relax.
relax.
Wow, I should have got like 2 headlights or something. Alright. So with the camera, you can see the item is like halfway in. And so now I need to get a tool in there and push it in. Difficult. Relax again, push a little bit.
Push.
Yeah, the other way.
Or relax. Okay, relax. Well, you click something.
Oh yeah. We're in. Oh wow.
Relax all the way.
No. Alright. The item is in. So this is like a $12 item from a Honda dealer, or like $6 an Amazon item. You want it now, pay the big bucks, extra $6, and it's in. Woohoo, we're in. You hear a boom, and it made it. So now I gotta do the connection. So where is my electrical connector? Just putting the connector in is a situation. That sure beats taking this whole thing out and epoxying it. Man, just checking out this connector was difficult tonight. And like no man's land. Relax a little bit.
Relax.
Remove.
Remove.
Yeah, check it out. Go ahead. All right, just putting that connectors back. But I'm trying to feel for it and describe you where the heck the connector is. So the connector is in this direction, which is like above, coming down towards the so that direction. What does that mean? That means like the spongy thing it's coming not from the top, but like kind of like you're pressing down at 3 degrees from the top looking down. All right, it should work now. Moment of truth. All right, this video is pretty vertical now. So now we prove
At a clutch.
the key.
At the clutch. At the clutch.
The key.
Right there, the key. The handle.
Oh yeah. So now you turn the car, and it doesn't run. You press the clutch. Oh my God! It still doesn't work. Oh, it works. Thank God. So start the car. No start. Press the clutch. Right there. So press the clutch all the way down. It doesn't. Let go. Start the car. No clutch. Press the clutch down. And let go just a little bit and it starts. That's it.
Cool.
Done. Thank God we have that little piece. Make sure you buy this piece.